just realized I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Sydney. Nice to meet you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video for whatever reason. So today, I'm going to give you a review / trying out first time of a product. So, this is what I got for y'all today. Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream recipes. Got Curl Boss and Buttercream, Coconut Curling Jelly, and Intensive Moisture Sealant. Now let me tell y'all a story, okay? Because sometimes the Lord just really comes through. Yesterday, I went to a store. They have a lot of good new curly hair products now, like a lot. And I do have curly hair. Apologies for looking kind of rough. I haven't done my hair yet because I'm doing this video. And I was buying this right here gel, Eco Styler. That's not the point of the story. Anyways, as I was checking out at the cash register, the lady, who is so nice, said, "Here, let me get you some free samples." Boo, let me show you just how much she gave me. Give me one quick second here. Boo. I got so many free samples. I was so happy. I was like, yes, thank you. Just honestly, that made my day. I was so happy. I was like, she gave me free samples for things that I was looking at and hoping to purchase, but I was like, you know, I have the money for that right now and I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, so I don't wanna. Y'all, honey, I was so happy. Anyways, so today, not only did I get free samples, but I also got free content because now I have a video idea. Yeah, so I'm gonna be trying this out, letting you know what I think so you guys can decide whether you want to make the purchase, as well as I will be deciding whether I want to make the purchase. So let's get right into the video, shall we? I'ma just gotta cover up, right? Jumpsuit, cover me. Why did I just start unscrewing this? That was so stupid. Why would I? And y'all, let me just say, my hair is growing. Like, I'm so happy because for those of you who don't know, I cut my hair about a year ago and it was really short. It was like to my head and a little bit longer on top. And I have been trying to grow it back out for a while now, and it is growing. But the problem that occurs when you grow out your hair is that it becomes all of these different lengths, and it's kind of difficult to style because you don't want to cut it to even it out because you're trying to grow it, so it's a little bit difficult. Looks like a little poop. So I'm just gonna take my hair. Usually what I do, I used to divide it, actually no, when it was really short I would just do it all at once, but now that my hair is growing and it's longer and thicker, I'll divide it into 3 sections, and I used to divide it into 2, so growth. Which one am I even gonna use? I haven't even decided yet. You know what? I'm gonna use the Intensive Moisture Sealant because I just washed my hair last night, you know. So, you know, my hair might be wanting a little bit of moisture, so I'm just gonna use this one. Hello, thank you. It feels good so far. Like, it runs through my hair pretty easily. It definitely does feel moisturizing. Next section. Am I supposed to style my hair with this, or do I just leave it in? Is it a leave-in? What is it? Okay, it's a leave-in conditioning therapy. Alright, I think I'll probably just use this one because I don't have anywhere to go today, so I don't want to use up the other free sample on nothing. Just gonna, you know, because the other one is a styling jelly. If you see me looking over here, it's because I have a little mirror there. So don't be alarmed. There's no ghost right there. Then again, if there was a ghost right there, I probably wouldn't know. So just in case, you know, sup ghosty. It definitely does look like it's moisturizing. It definitely does look like it's moisturizing my hair. Dude, the amount of hair that comes out of my head. Don't know how I'm not bald. My hair shrinks up a lot. I have a lot of shrinkage. Like, my hair's even longer than it looks, to be honest with you. Like, I get a lot of shrinkage. People are always shocked when they see how long my hair is, and I don't know why, but that makes me happy. Am I styling my hair? You know, I might as well. Somewhat. So I can see how it ends up looking. But yeah, look at how long my hair is. And it'll shrink up to like here, to my eyebrow. So, shrinkage is real, kids. It's not a myth. Is that my skull or is that conditioner? Okay, it's conditioner. I never know what to do with these little pieces because I can't decide whether I want them to go this way or what. So I kind of just... But yeah, I mean, I like it so far. My hair definitely feels moisturized. Am I a ghost? Hello? Well, this lighting is just great, isn't it? Give me a second, kids. Give me a second. Why am I referring to you guys as kids? Are you kids? Let me know how old you are. Actually, no. Don't reveal personal information on the internet. Says the YouTuber who is currently revealing personal information on the internet. Make up your mind. Where do you want to go? Make a decision. I mean, I can kind of tell that it's not a styling gel because, I mean, obviously it's not. It didn't claim to be. But it's not giving me, like, the hold, I guess. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know how to explain that. It just kind of does feel like a little bit more of a conditioner, which I guess is the point. But yeah, so it's obviously not a styling gel or cream or anything. So I'm not really expecting it to like turn out that great as like a look. I guess I'll come back when it's dry. Let y'all know how I feel about it. Right now I do like it. I think it's quite good. It smells decent. Like, it doesn't smell bad or anything. Is sniffing hair products doing drugs? Am I allowed to put that on YouTube? Am I gonna get demonetized? So far, I do like it. I think it's nice. I would probably use this again. I mean, honestly, I'm not sure if I would buy it just because I don't feel like I need it. And they can be kind of expensive. But I definitely would recommend trying it, at least the free samples, because they are good. Like, I do like it. Yeah, I'll let you know how it dries when it shrinks up. So I'm back, and my hair, it's not fully dry, obviously, but the light is kind of, you know, the sun is setting, and I did want to show you guys before you're unable to see. But this is just that product, and then some gel for my edges. I honestly wouldn't use this to style my hair normally, just because I like what I normally use better. Like, I like the results a little bit better, but I do think it works well. Like, I don't think it doesn't work. That definitely is not what I'm saying. I do think it works well and I like it. So, and it definitely does, my hair feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry or stripped or anything. But in terms of as a styling thing, I probably wouldn't use it as a styling, whatever it is, cream, a styling cream. I probably wouldn't use it as a styling cream. But yeah, I do like it. So this is the final result, I guess. Not really completely final because my hair's not done drying, but this is as dry as it's gonna get right now. So, but yeah, you can see that it does provide some definition. It looks shiny for the most part. Not this part, but that's honestly my fault. I messed that up. But I mean, yeah. See, it's not dry yet, and you know that because I can still flip my hair. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please come back, like, subscribe, share this video. Go check out my other videos. I'm actually in the process of uploading another video right now where I did some DIY shoes. Shameless plug. Yeah, so definitely go check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. And thank you for watching. Bye.
A few hours later.